When you're adding a file, the file type is going to determine a lot about what you can do with that file. In the last video, if you watched it, we talked about how you can change the appearance, the way that the URLs or the links work. The same is true for documents. Let me show you the three different or the two different things you can do. Sometimes a document will behave where you can embed it. So if I click on this, which is a JPEG, I've set it to embed, and it'll just take me right within the window to the picture. Okay, so you can embed a picture, a JPEG, because it can be shown on the browser. If the browser can handle it, then the Moodle can handle it. Okay. Whereas if I tried to embed, here's a Word document, even if I switched the Word document so that the appearance was to embed, it wouldn't. And the reason why it can't is that the website can't open a Word document. Okay, so when they click on a Word document, it's going to start the download right here, and then they can open it on Word. So even though I've set embed, it just shows up as blank. So the better way to do a Word document, since you know it's going to show up as blank anyways, is keep it as automatic for the appearance, which means it's going to just directly download it. So now instead of taking them into that, when a student clicks on it, it's just going to download the file. So a student that's really familiar with your way of doing things might right away click, 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 and just download all the documents they're going to need. So like I said, these are for documents that can't be displayed in a browser. They need a program like Word to show it. And the problem is that the student needs to have Word or some program that can open Word documents in order to see it. A nice trick is that PDFs can be shown in most browsers. So if I would have gone into Word and gone to Save As, and I would have saved it as a PDF, now when they click PDF, I can let them embed it. Okay, so this is a Word document. You probably recognize that it looks very Wordish, but because it was saved as a PDF, I can embed it right into the web page, pictures and all. The thing is, the students then also, they can highlight and copy it, but it's not something that they can change. Even though it's a PDF and it is embeddable, of course you could also allow them to download it, and you do that by changing the appearance instead of embed. If you make it automatic, it's probably going to try downloading it. So now when they click PDF, it opens it anyways, because it really thinks that's how people want to view PDFs, right? So what I would have to do is I'd have to set it to force download. If I set it to force download, then it'll cause them to download it before they can open it. So now when they click PDF, you see that it went down here as a download. So that's the difference between embed and force download. There is a way you can get a Word document, I suppose, to be embedded. It has to be saved as a text.txt. So here's a syllabus that I saved as txt, and it will display it in an embed window. The thing about that, if you really wanted to just get the text there, right, you might as well just copy the text, and then when you go to set it up, you can either just set it up as a label and just put that text right in there or what have you. Okay, so when you add an activity or resource and it's a file, one more thing, PowerPoints obviously are going to download because it can't open PowerPoints, but PowerPoint also will let you save it as a PDF, which would let you embed that document. So the real choice is, are you going to try to make it so that they can open your document without needing another program like Word or PDF or PowerPoint, or are you going to try to let them open it within the website by giving them the type of file that a website can open, like a JPEG or a PDF or a text document? And you can do that by, when you go to add activity or resource and you add a file, by after you upload the file, it's in appearance. Embed, force download, open is kind of going to be the same depending on what type of file it is, or pop-up. So you might want to do, instead of embedding it, open it up in its own window. Okay. I think in general, if you want to give them access to the file, then having them download it is the best. And if you just want them to view the file, trying to get it to embed or pop up in another window is the best, because you don't have to worry about what computer the kid is on, or if they're on a phone or something that doesn't have the Word document. Okay.